Hello parents, this is Mrs.Jerome-Severe coming with another video. This is the last video for the CVCC words, meaning that you'll have a consonant, you have a vowel, you have a consonant, or sometimes you have a consonant, vowel, consonant. But anyway, this is the last one when the children are going to be reading the words, and the words are going to be short. The more fluently the children read the words, the faster they know to learn how to read. Then they don't have to read choppy, because as you know, when children don't know how to read a word, they spend a lot of time reading the chopping. Chopping means they're going t t t t t, and then also that cause the children to that cause the children not understanding what they're reading, because if you spending the whole time chopping a word, by the time you get to the sentence you have no idea what the children are doing. Allô parmi yo, se Mrs.Jerome, kote mwen na fe denye son sa, kote mwen ti moun yo pral fe CVC word short o. So yo fe plusieurs deja. CVC ve di konson, voyelle, konson. Yo fe konson, voyelle, konson. So konya la, sa se denye. Mwen fe plusieurs pou nou konsa pou ti moun yo ka gen plus chans pou pratike plusieurs mots dans différentes façons. Ou connaît que si ti petit ou apprendre qui jan pour li plusieurs mots, la vin kon ki jan pou li. C'est mot yo pour connaître pour yo ka vin kon li, mais si yo pa kon mot yo pa ka fel. Okay? So this is how you make your mouth for the sound O. O say ah. O say ah. So you make the sound by opening your mouth, keep your lips relaxed, and your tongue should stay low in your mouth. Should not be sticking nothing else, should stay in your mouth. And you open your mouth, then you say ah, like an octopus, like an orange, okay? Octopus. And you should feel your chin going down. Octopus, orange. Okay? Timon, se pou nou fè O, se pou nou vwe bouche nou tout piti, epi lang nou rete nan bouche ou. Ouvre bouche ou, mais pas ouvre le trop. Epi konya la, lang ou rete nan bouche ou, pou descendre bouche ou, fè A, octopus. A, octopus. A, orange. Okay, so you should feel your chin going down. Ou supposé senti monton ou ap descend, monte descend, bouche ou ap monte descend. So this is the rule that we're going to do. One, we're going to identify the sound. Premièrement, nous pral konnen son yo. Nous pral konnen let yo, nous pral konnen son yo. Et puis après ça, nous pral di son yo ensemble, doucement, ensemble. Et puis après ça, nous pral di mot qui sa lié. Nous pral mette mot ensemble et puis nous pral dire qui sa mot yé. All right, as usual, boys and girls, we usually say the sounds of the letters, and we say the name of the letters, and we say the sound that we hear in them, okay? You do know letters have a name, and you do know letters have a sound. Okay. So let's start with the letter O. O, say ah. You should see your mouth open. Ah. This is M. M say mm. S say S, T say T, P say P, F says F, N say N, D say D, C say K, G say G, B say B. Very good. And we're going to do the next row starting on top. Nous allons commencer en l'air. K say K, H say R say R, L say L, W say W, J say J, Y say Y, X say X, Q U say Q, V say V, Z says Z. All right, so before we move on to the blending, parents, this is the best time to subscribe to my channel so you could get all the videos. I am for the 2025. I am planning to put out more videos for you. If the videos are not suitable for your child, you could share the video with somebody else at your church, at your job that have a child the same age as yours, or the child is having difficulty learning how to read. Remember what Mrs. Jerome said, if they don't have the foundational skills, they're not going to know how to read. Alors, par là, c'est bon temps pour nous subscribe sur channel, bon mon petit pouce monté, fait me connaître nous remettre channel là, m'a fait un bon job dans la communauté, et puis comme ça, pour me toujours faire vidéo, envie faire vidéo, voyez pour nous, ok? Ça me dit, pas oublier, partager avec amis, famille, whatever côté moun nan, et puis si moun nan pas gen fondation, ça m'a fait yo, pour li kon li, yo pas connaît, puis jan pour yo li du tout, pour juste yo grand moun. Okay. And let's go boys and girls, let's go learn how to read some words. And let's go on, nous aller apprendre qui jan pour nous lire 2-3 mots. Okay, so now first son yo, we're gonna make all the sounds. We're gonna do every dot so we could say the word. You ready? B on d, b on d, b on d, bond. What's the word? Bond. Bond mean is a strong connection between two people. So like you have a bond is like you have a special relationship with the person. You love being with the person. Okay? That's a bond. You ready? K R st, K R st, cost. Cost is when you ask somebody how much something costs, how much money you need to pay. When your mommy goes to the store to buy you a birthday dress, she say, how much is this dress? So that's another word for cost. What's the amount of money? The basket of the apple costs $10. So you need $10 to buy this apple basket, the basket of the apple. Fond, 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 fond. Fond mean having a strong liking and affection for somebody, like you're very fond of your grandma, you love being with your grandma, you're very fond of your baby brother, you love being to be with your brother, you're very fond of your dad, as in you love spending time with your dad, being with your dad, so you like to spend extra time with that person. That is so you're fond of that person. Oft, oft, loft, loft. Loft is the upper space of a room, often just below the roof, or building. So like for example, if you have a bunk bed, the person that's on top, the top bed is a loft. The top bed is a what? Loft. Lost. 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 Lost means you're unable to find your way home. You are unable to find your way home. Pond. 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 Pond is a small body of water. It's a small body of water, smaller than a lake. And usually you find frogs jumping in there. Lots of little frogs. So a pond is smaller than a lake. Soft. 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 Like soft is something that feels smooth, gentle, it's not hard, it's not tough, it's very soft. You love to put it on your skin. Like when you take your towel, you put it when you drying your face, it feels very soft. The blanket on your bed feels very soft. All right, keep learning, boys and girls. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Don't forget, you must watch these videos over so you could become fluent on reading the words. Parents, pas oublier que ti moun yo bezwen gade video an tout temps kon sa pou yo ka vin habitué li mou yo. Don't forget, parents, this video is not to watch for the children to watch by themselves, especially if they have not mastered the skills of blending yet. So please make sure you're sitting with them and for them to get the understanding of it. Parents, make sure parents, si moun yo pa gade video an pou kont yo, parce que si ap gade l pou kont yo pa vraiment kompren sa a fe. Gade la ve yo kon sa pou korije la yo fe faute, et puis kon sa lò di yo fel pou kont yo vin kon ti komprehensyon ki sa pou yo fe. All right, so that's all, guys. And I want to give a shout out to all my first graders. Go shout out to all my first graders. Shout out to all my second graders and my third graders that are listening and watching my videos. Okay, until next time, bye. Okay, tout ti moun ki nan première année, nan deuxième année, troisième année, kap gade video myo, thank you, merci. Pa bliye, bon mon ti pouce, montrem ke nou reme video yo, et on lot à la prochaine. Bye.